So my name is Alfonso. That is my my birth name. My ancestral name, my Shishak name is Comanche, which means Spanish chief. And yeah, I work with the Talese Tours. Our tour is based on sharing a little bit of culture, a little bit of history, and traditional uses of the plants, the indigenous plants, the indigenous trees, and how they were utilized as medicines, foods, and even technology. I think people appreciate that they're able to experience some of the culture, as we do welcome them with song, and also connecting with Mother Nature here in the park, the wildlife that is here, and even experiencing some of our indigenous plants, as we sometimes will have a little treat with some of the edibles, and we also provide some indigenous tea, we call it.
I'm from both the Shishak and the Squamish communities. I'm married into the Squamish people, and I'm really happy to be here with you all today on the homelands of the three tribes.
Our manager and relative of mine, Candace Campo, she put this business together and was very much inspired by her grandmothers, her grandmother, her great aunts, and our elders, who are the ones who pass down the knowledge to our younger generations. And she's carrying it on by passing it down to my generation, and our focus is to share it with people all around the world, as we've dealt with almost the loss of our traditions, and we are now bringing it back and sharing it with people all around the world to learn and get educated.